Good morning, everyone. We're fine and safe again. What does a girl do on a disaster island? We wake up, we go for a swim in the ocean. As you can see, just pan over there, it's an absolutely stunning day. The water is very, very nice. And then after that, after we have a nice swim, we rinse ourselves in water from the well because we do have water. And then, of course, the most important thing is we're going to start burning all the rubbish on the island. This way we get rid of flies and we will keep the disease at bay. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay tuned.
Gillian has been through the course of the evening and early morning collecting rubbish, all organic material from all the restaurants on the northern side of the island, northwestern side at Bintang Beach, and burning as much as we can to prevent diseases. Thank you.